Hello everyone, my name is Shazibul Hoda and this is my third demo video. In this demo video, we are going to talk about PayPal integration. As in this video, we are going to see the functional use of PayPal integration. First, let me show you a diagram through which we can understand the whole concept of how we are using PayPal for our e-commerce website. As you can see in this diagram, there is First, there is an e-commerce website. This e-commerce website includes mainly front-end and UI, and this is also part of our project. Second, we have to make, with the help of backend and Java, this payment system. Payment system is used will be used to connect e-commerce to the PayPal. There are three pieces of the system. They are major components connecting each other. So e-commerce and payment system will be can be called as our system, and PayPal can be called external system. PayPal can also be called a third-party application. It can be called PSP, which full form is Payment Service Provider. So PayPal does nothing but provide service, payment services. We write code to talk to the PayPal system and which can be said to integrate PayPal system in our project. So basically there are a lot of coding involved to which we can integrate PayPal system in our project. We have to know how PayPal works firstly, and secondly how our client can make payment using PayPal system. We so in this diagram we can see that the terminology which is used to define us is merchant. We are called merchant by PayPal. So to integrate PayPal, first we have to go through its integration document. So PayPal provides its integration documents. I have copied some links to which you can easily access the documents. As you can see, this is a checkout page of PayPal. It's mainly used by the developers to connect PayPal with their project. As you can see, there are four ways to integrate PayPal checkout. Firstly, there is a standard checkout, and secondly, it is advanced checkout, then no code checkout, and enterprise checkout. Each checkout can be used to do multiple things, such as advanced checkout give us power to customize our checkout. As for standard checkout, we can cook, we can it can be used to quickly accept PayPal and other payment methods. So what is checkout? When a person buys a product from the site such like Amazon, Flipkart, and etc. PayPal is nothing but a checkout related features. It helps customer to make payment by their products. So in this video, we are going to use standard checkout. It can be said in the interview that standard checkout was told by our clients to use, but you can also say that we are starting with standard checkout, but later we can change the integration techniques depending on the situation. First, we are going to go through its documentation. I have to click at getting started. So it explains how PayPal checkout works. As you can see through this diagram, PayPal checkout works go through multiple processes and functions. Basically, what we will be doing is merchant server as we are doing the backend work. So mainly we have to use merchants. We have to do the merchant server works. As for as for this code also includes React, which can be done by front-end developers. And PayPal JS SDK, JavaScript SDK is for front-end developers. So PayPal has already given us PayPal has already given us some POC projects, so we can know how PayPal project works. So you are going to know what POC is. POC is POC full form is proof of concept. Let me just write that. POC full form is proof of concept. We will not have to wait for making the full project. PayPal to know we have to not have to wait while making full PayPal project to know how PayPal works. PayPal has already given us some small project known as POC projects, so which can directly execute and see how it works. This project mainly involves React and Node.js. So React code will be downloaded when we will download the zip file from this checkout page. As for Node.js, we have to install the Node.js system in our system so that we can run the project and execute the project. First, we will have to download the sample code. So we can click on the integrate. As you can see, we are doing standard integration process. This is a preview of a React page. You can see there are options which we see when we use PayPal for our payment system. There are multiple options such as PayPal, Pay Later, debit card, credit card. It is just a sample code. First, you have download the sample code. Sample code is downloaded. Let's just copy it make a new folder. Okay, we will paste it here. We will then extract this file. You can see there are multiple files in this project. So I just fixed all the files in a more convenient way. You can also do that the other way. So let's first make our developer account. 1 second. Okay. Um, there's a link that I have copied and just open it. Okay. So here is this link to which we can access our test environment account of PayPal. As you can see, it offers only the state of United States. Don't try to test it with Indian or any other country's residents. You have to write your email and password. So let's just make an account with the help of temp mail because I have already have an account in this PayPal developer account. So let's make a new account through which we can know from the scratch. Just copy this temporary email ID, paste it here, create password, just add any password, create account. Okay, yes, just save it. Okay, so our PayPal developer account is created. You can see it is basically PayPal offers both test environment and live environment. Test environment is used for entire testing and integration purposes and etc. Live environment is where real money is. So we can do anything to test our project in this with the help of this developer account. So first we can see our account. You can see we can integrate and test code in PayPal testing environment. We cannot move the money or go live. It is for the other personal account and business's account. This is just a developer account. So let's go to apps and credential. Okay, so we have opened our apps and credential. As you can see, it has provided us some default application, its client ID and secret ID. So now let's continue what we do to change our to make the code run. So first step we have to rename this .env.example file. Let me just write it here. This file name is .env.example. We have to change it to .env because the file will not open if this .example extension is there. So let's change it. Rename example. Okay. Yes. Now we can open this .env file with our Notepad++. As you can see, there is PayPal client ID and PayPal client secret. We can add our accounts client ID and secret here so we can access both, we can connect both the accounts. Let's copy the client ID and paste it here. Secret ID. Okay, paste it. Wait a second. Okay. So both client ID and secret key is pasted. Let's save this file. And now we have to install the Node.js program, Node.js application. So for that, you first have to write download Node.js. just go to the official account of Node.js and install the pre-built installer and download this whole application. We we need npm to run this application, and npm can be only accessed with the help of Node.js. If we download Node.js, npm downloaded in default. I have already downloaded the Node.js, which we can see from our command prompt. Just type cmd. Let's see Node.js version. Wait a second. npm dash dash version. Don't know why this is not working. And okay, maybe there's some spelling mistake. See, I have already installed the npm version. It is 10.2.4. Okay, so our system already has it. Let's just close this. Okay. Okay. So first we go to our file. We go to client. Open this. You open this checkout.html with Notepad plus. Okay. So here we have to change. Here it is written test. Wait a second. Wait a second. So we have to change the test as it is written here. Replace test client ID value with your client ID. So let's access our client ID. This here only. Just copy this control. Let's just copy it. Control C. Test control V. Control S. So we have done the necessary tasks. Let's run this project. First, we have to go to Spark CMD. So, so first, we can download npm install. It will download all the remaining dependencies. Let's just wait for a minute. As you can see, it has done its course. It has downloaded some of the packages. It has checked it is up to date. So let's run this project. We have to write npm start. So our project is run in our local host. Let's just copy it into here. So you can see our code is running here. Our HTML code is running here. Let's just click PayPal and see what happens. As you can see, a pop-up has appeared. Uh, let's just write our email ID. This was our email ID, right? Yes. Mm. Next. Mm, We can get our email ID from our test account. So we have to go to our developer dashboard, testing tools, and box account. As you can see, there are some default accounts. So open one. Let's copy this email, paste it here. Step. Let's copy the password. Okay, so we have logged in. So we have logged in as you have seen. So information can be seen from here. As you've seen in that pop-up, our name was John Doe, our phone number was this. You can also update our PhonePe balance, PayPal balance, and etc. So that's it we have to do. So that's how we can integrate PayPal. I thank you for watching.